Here are the latest verified news about the beheading of an Indian national in the U.S. Newspaper latest details. Victim: Chandramouli Bob Nagamalaya, 50 years old, originally from Karnataka, India. Location: Dallas, Texas. The incident took place at the Downtown Suites Motel. When September 10, 2025, in the morning, magnifying glass tilted left what happened. The dispute began over a broken washing machine. Nagamalaya told his coworker, Yordanis Cobos Martinez, not to use it. There was also a language/communication issue. Nagamalaya asked a woman to translate instructions instead of speaking directly to Cobos Martinez. This reportedly angered him. The Indian Express. Cobos Martinez allegedly retrieved a machete, came back, attacked Nagamalaya, chased him, despite intervention attempts by his wife and son. The victim was beheaded. The assailant then allegedly kicked the severed head, picked it up, and disposed of it in a dumpster. Bust in silhouette the accused and legal/immigration aspects. Accused: Yordanis Cobos Martinez, 37, Cuban national. The Indian Express. He has a criminal history. Prior arrests/convictions including assault, auto theft, carjacking, etc. The Indian Express. ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, has lodged a detainer. The accused faces capital murder charges. If you want, I can pull up legal documents or statements from authorities to verify every claim or see if there are recent developments since these reports. Here are verified legal/official documents and statements related to the Dallas beheading case, with key details. Some are from court or arrest affidavits, ICE/DHS statements, etc. Memo official/legal documents and statements. Arrest affidavit/court documents, Dallas Police, Dallas County. An affidavit submitted to a Dallas County magistrate judge lays out the sequence: witness statements, surveillance footage, admission by the suspect, etc. Houston Chronicle. It describes that suspect Yordanis Cobos Martinez and victim Chandramouli Nagamalaya were co-employees at the motel. The confrontation began over a broken washing machine. The victim told Cobos Martinez not to use the broken machine. Cobos Martinez allegedly became upset that the victim had someone else translate rather than speaking to him directly. Then Cobos Martinez supposedly left, fetched a machete from his person, returned, attacked Nagamalaya multiple times, chased him toward the front office where his wife and son were, continued the assault, during which they attempted to intervene. The head was severed. The suspect allegedly went through Nagamalaya's pockets, took his phone and key card, then kicked the severed head, carried it to a dumpster, etc. The affidavit also records Cobos Martinez's confession/admission. He admitted to using the machete and that these actions occurred. He is being held without bond, charged with capital murder, and there is an immigration hold detainer placed. Houston Chronicle. Statement/press release. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE/Department of Homeland Security, DHS. ICE has lodged a detainer for Cobos Martinez, described in a DHS/ICE press release as a criminal illegal alien from Cuba taken into custody by local authorities in Dallas for the beheading murder. U.S. Department of Homeland Security. The ICE statement claims Cobos Martinez had a rap sheet, including child sex abuse, grand theft of a motor vehicle, false imprisonment, carjacking. U.S. Department of Homeland Security. Also in that official release, ICE says Cobos Martinez had been under a final order of removal to Cuba and was previously in ICE custody, Bluebonnet Detention Center, but was released under an order of supervision on January 13, 2025 because Cuba would not accept him because of his criminal history. U.S. Department of Homeland Security. Warning: key legal/procedural status. Charge: capital murder. That is the most serious homicide classification in Texas. It can carry life imprisonment without parole or death penalty, depending on circumstances. Reports say capital murder charge has been filed. Custody/bond. Suspect is being held without bond. Immigration detainer. Yes, there is an ICE lodged detainer to prevent release, pending removal or hearings.